National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Franklin County in southeastern Indiana, northeastern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, northwestern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Bright, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fairfield, Harrison, Bright, Ross, Taylor Creek, Dry Ridge, Blue Jay, Dunlap, Coleraine Township, Logan, Riley, New Haven, Millville, St. Leon, Scipio, West Harrison, Cedar Grove, Mount Healthy Heights, Interstate 74 at U.S. Route 52 in Rockdale. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 74 in Indiana between mile markers 159 and 171. Interstate 74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 5. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official